Okay. Now, if the coefficient of x squared is not 1, how do you solve by completing the square? Well, it goes like this. You divide everything by 3 to force this to be 1. So you divide everything by 3. 3x squared over 3, negative x over 3, and 1 over 3. So the resulting is these cancel, and you get x squared minus 1/3 x plus 1/3 equal to 0. Okay. Now that the coefficient is 1, we can apply the same trick as before, okay, which was take this number. What do you do? Divide by 2, which is? Yeah, so negative 1/3. Dividing by 2 is same as multiplying by 1/2. Multiplying by the reciprocal is same as division, right? And when you multiply fractions, it's top to top, bottom to bottom, so it's negative 1 over 6. And then that negative 1 over 6 is squared. You have to take the square of that number, which is positive 1 over 36. And that's the one that you have to add to both sides. So you have x squared minus 1/3 x plus 1 over 36 plus 1/3 equals to 1 over 36. Okay, you add that to both sides. And then, yeah, what is this now? What's squared? X. What goes in here? It's always half of this. That number, minus 1/6. Okay. So this turns into this, and then 1/3, you move it to the other side. It's 1 over 36 minus 1/3. Well, you need common denominator, so you need to write it as 1 over 36 minus 12 over 36, so it's negative 11 over 36. Take the square root. X minus 1/6 would be plus minus square root of negative 11 over 36. But let's dissect this. Negative 1 becomes I. Square root of negative 1 is an imaginary number. What's square root of 36?
6.
6. So the bottom just becomes 6. And you get square root of 11 plus or minus. And then finally, you move this to the other side, and you get x equals to 1/6 plus minus square root of 11 over 6 times I. Okay, so that's how you complete the square. Yeah. That's the ultimate level of completing the square. I showed you from level 1 to up till 3. That's the hardest.